Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mechanics Club channel. We present to you on our channel MATLAB tutorials, programming, numerical methods and data analysis, ANSYS learning videos, tips and simulations, Microsoft Office tutorials, tricks for you to enhance your handling with documents, and much more educational videos and courses, such as heat transfer, numerical methods and fluid mechanics. And much more tips, tricks and advices on our videos and our website. We absolutely invite you to join the club and subscribe our channel, our website, and our social media accounts. Thanks for watching.